Hi, this is Donna de Blasio. Welcome to the third edition of the More webinar series brought to you by FiberLink. Today I'm going to be speaking about BlackBerry reporting and trending for IT executives with focus on the MAS 360 BlackBerry Visibility Reporting. Today you will learn what MAS 360 BlackBerry Visibility Reporting is and how it works, the differences between the BlackBerry Manager software and MAS 360 Visibility Reporting, and finally, I will take you through some samples of the MAS 360 BlackBerry Visibility Reports and how they can help in the day-to-day workflow of your IT staff. The main reason customers are implementing MAS 360 BlackBerry Visibility Reporting is because the BlackBerry Manager software cannot do this type of reporting without involving a lot of time and manual efforts to manipulate the data into a usable dashboard or spreadsheet. The MAS 360 BlackBerry Visibility Reporting is a server-based tool that integrates with our MAS 360 Management Center. This tool will pull data from the BlackBerry database and will display information such as what devices are in your environment and what applications are installed on those devices, how much memory is left, etc. After the data is pulled, it will be uploaded to our MAS 360 Management Center to be displayed as a dashboard, which can be exported into a usable fashion, as well as being able to drill down for more detailed information in either a summary level or a device level for reporting. The MAS 360 BlackBerry Visibility Tool is not agent-based. Therefore, there is no need to touch all of the individual BlackBerry devices. It is a customized installation package that gets installed on the BlackBerry Enterprise server and is specific to the customer's environment and BlackBerry database setup that will lay down configuration files and a batch file. It collects data from the BES database and uploads that data daily to the MAS 360 cloud infrastructure. All data is encrypted with an RSA SSH key and is transferred via SFTP. The MAS 360 Management Center processes the data for business intelligence reporting. This table compares features of the MAS 360 handheld reporting versus the BlackBerry Enterprise Server Management Console. From this slide, you can see that with MAS 360, you get the ability to view device information across desktops, laptops, netbooks, and handhelds. You have the ability to view key summary level information with the ability to drill down into details, where the BES console only provides device-level reporting. With MAS 360, you have the ability to export this data easily into several different file formats, where with the BlackBerry Administration Service, the only option is comma delimited. With MAS 360, you get easy-to-use graphical display of data as compared to text-driven only by BES. Reporting is designed for cost savings, cross-departmental use, and a quick and easy searching for software applications which have been installed by the users. The BlackBerry Visibility Reports are broken down into two categories once you log into the MAS 360 Management Center: Hardware Overview and Software Overview. Once you are logged into the Management Center, you will find the BlackBerry Reports under Reports, Inventory Management Reports, BlackBerry Hardware Overview, and BlackBerry Software Overview. Once you click on the BlackBerry Hardware Overview, you will be directed to this screen, which shows your device summary dashboard. Here you will see the device summary by model. So for example, how many curves or bolds you might have in your environment. The operating system summary, so what version of the BlackBerry OS is installed. The devices by home carrier, so which devices are on which carrier. And finally, devices by BlackBerry policy. So it will show you at a quick glance how many devices are on each particular BlackBerry policy within your environment. On any of the reporting pages, such as this one, you are able to either print or download the information, which allows you to export the information to Excel, PowerPoint, or a CSV file. From this dashboard, you are able to click and drill down further into any of the charts. So not only do you get a summary report, you can also get a device-level report, so you can drill down into each device to get even more information. For example, if you wanted to know at a glance how many users you have on the BlackBerry Bold 9700, you can tell this from this first chart that there are currently 18 users on the 9700. If you need to drill down further into that to see exactly who these users are, simply click on the bar graph stating this above the 9700 and you will be taken to the next screen. Here it will drill down further into device level specifics, including serial number, PIN, phone number, user, manufacturer, model, OS version, software platform version, screen language, total memory, activation date, and the last reported date. From here, you are able to filter the data by any of these fields at the top to drill down even further. Simply fill in the options you want and hit Apply Filters. There is a Clear Filters button as well to clear out the data to display all. For the rest of the tabs, BlackBerry Policy and Network Information, you will see the same type of layout for that specific data and are able to do the same type of formatting. Under this BlackBerry Policy tab, this data is useful if you need to find out which users are on which security policy at a glance without having to drill down into each device. Under this Network Information tab, you are able to quickly find out which users are on which home carrier and/or which active carrier they are on in order to troubleshoot any carrier-related issues or make any necessary carrier adjustments. Once you click on the BlackBerry software overview from the Reports menu in the MAS 360 Management Center, you will be directed to this screen. This screen shows information for enabled service books as well as tabs for installed modules, installed applications, service book details, module details, and application details. Again, you are able to filter and export this data on all of the tabs. This screen shows the installed modules report. So for example, if you need to find out exactly which modules are installed on each device, this screen will help. This screen shows the installed applications report. For example, if you wanted to do a search on which devices had Facebook installed, here is where you would pull that report. This screen shows the service book details. This includes more detail about the service books installed on each device. This screen shows the module details, which includes more detail about the modules that are installed on each device. Finally, this screen shows the application details. This includes more detail about the specific applications that are installed on each device. As the growing need for remote security continues, it is becoming even more important to know what is going on with your users' handheld devices. With the MAS 360 BlackBerry Visibility Service, you are able to monitor your user's handheld environment and get the data you need in the format you need it in. And remember, you can't manage what you can't see. Thank you.